transactions. Prepare sales book and sales return book in the books of Pratibha Furniture Mart. Now, over here we have sales book, so name of customer, sales return, so customer is going to return us back. Again, name of customer, when we sell, we give a bill, so that is outward invoice number. And when a customer gives us goods back as a confirmation that we have received so many goods, we make a note which is known as a credit note. So ऐसा note बनाएंगे and then we will write कि we have credited your account, जो भी नाम है, okay, for rupees so and so for defective goods or whatever reason. And then we'll sign and we'll give this to the customer so that the customer has a proof that yes, the goods were returned. Now why we call it credit note? Because for us goods comes in, so sales return account debit and we credit our customer. Since we credit our customer, we make a credit note. Understood this? Okay, it will come in future. Now it can also come as a journal entry. Okay, we gave a credit note of so and so for this to this person. Make a journal entry. तो credit note हमने किसी को दिया है, तो उसको credit करेंगे. तो debit क्या करेंगे? Goods comes in, so it is sales return. अगर हमने किसी को debit note दिया है, तो हमने उसको debit किया है. Goods goes out, so that is purchase return. Okay, let's start with the sum.
Yes.
Now, 2015 September 1. Sold goods of 10,000 to Rajesh Furniture Mart at 10% cash discount. He paid half of the amount immediately. Now, should we record this transaction?
Yes.
Yes, obviously we should record this transaction. Now, 10,000 में से 10% cash discount minus करेंगे? No, because it is not a trade discount. Let's record 2015. September 2015, September 1, Rajesh Furniture Mart. Outward invoice number is not given. Full amount 10,000. Write a note for half amount he paid. September 1, half amount received. Will be recorded. Where will record it? In cash book. Next, now exam में ध्यान देना, first transaction में 10% cash discount है, it is not trade discount. Okay, अगर तुमने इसको 10% minus कर दिया, so this will go wrong. Okay, next. अच्छा, जब हमने इसका half amount pay किया 5,000, तब cash discount calculate करना पड़ेगा. Because cash discount is the discount at the time of receipt or payment of cash. Understood this? Okay, next. Sold goods of 8,000 at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount to Pushpa. Credit period 1 month, sent bill number 130 after charging 100 for carriage. Now we'll ignore carriage. Okay, directly record Pushpa account. 5th. $8,000, 10%, so 7,200. Bill number 130. We write a note. Carriage charged in the bill will be recorded in will be recorded in journal proper. Next, sold goods of 4,000 at 10% TD, 5% CD. Will we record this?
No.
Because name is not given. It's a cash transaction. देखो, cash sales 12. Cash sales will be recorded in cash book. Cash sales will be recorded in cash book. Now, Rajesh returned goods of 5,000. Send credit note. पता चला send credit note. यानी उसने जो goods return किया, when we received the goods, we are making a credit note. 4 rupees, 5,000. Okay. After receipt of returned goods, let's record sales return September 15, 2015. September 15. Rajesh Furniture Mart account. Credit note number 6. Credit note 16 and amount is 5,000. Next, old machine sold. हमारा बिजनेस क्या है? फर्नीचर का है, पर हमने अभी क्या बेचा? मशीन. तो इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन जर्नल प्रॉपर. देखो, September 20th, old machine sold will be recorded in journal proper. Next, sold goods of 30,000 to Harish at 5% trade discount. Bill number 136 sent after charging 5% value added tax and 200 for carriage. This we don't have to record. We'll only record sales to Harish. Liquid 22nd. Harish account. Bill number 136, 30,000, 5%, 28,500. Write a note. Value added tax and carriage will be recorded in journal proper. ये सब नोट लिखना जरूरी है. Okay? If you not write, you will not get marks. It means you have not attempted that transaction. Next, sold goods of 20,000 to Neeta on 1 month credit. Trade discount 10%, cash discount 10%. Should we record this? Yes, it's a credit transaction. 23rd, Neeta account. Neeta account. 20,000, 10% trade discount, so 18,000. Thirtieth, Mukesh placed an order for supply of 30th non-economic transaction. That's it?
Yes.
Let's do the totals. Yes. Total credit sales and total. अरे thanks तुमने ये total बता दिया. Sales return. I'm so grateful to you.